What's up, everyone? Hope you guys enjoyed that meat video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to keep doing more. I don't know if I ever said that in the previous video, but yeah, let me know. And today I am installing another sub for the homie in his Infiniti G37. So it's gonna be cool. It's another just JBL preamped subwoofer. So it's gonna be a quick, easy wire install. But for those of you guys that have that Bose system in your Infiniti G37, sometimes there's different ways to wire it. Alright guys, so the homie brought over his, what year? 2013 G37. And basically, that's RJ right there. See, another RJ. But yeah, so basically, we had to wire up the power wire. We already started this, and I was kind of tripped out because Infiniti has this thing with keeping everything nice and neat. So we had to remove some of the panels and the battery tray, well, the battery tray cover and everything. So you get this look. And basically the power wire goes through this this plug right here. You lift it up and it's on the passenger side. So it's at the bottom. Got the light going on here. You got to remove a couple more panels. So you got this going off. Then you got to remove this panel. Whoa. This panel right here, which is underneath the glove box, so it exposes the evaporator and everything. But if you look up straight, it goes, hold on. So you go with the engine harness, go up straight, and it's right there on the corner. Well, can't really see it, but that's how we're wiring it through. So you got this going through here, going straight down the channel, basically. So basically like a regular car install, you guys got to wire through the little footwell and then straight to the back. And if your car is just like his, hold on, can't even see, I forgot to shut off the light. But if you guys' car like just like his seat doesn't go down, you're gonna have to like stick your hand through there, have your friend pull the wire through, and then basically this lifts up straight to the frame, got the ground, and now we're just gonna wire up the speakers to the preamp that's right here. And I'll show you guys how to wire the wires wire for wire again, like I did with the FRS. So let's start doing that now. Alright guys, so we're in the back. I would tap this wire right here. This is the ground wire for the remote. And then you would want to take the sky blue wire for your negative lead for your speaker, and then it's another violet color for your positive wire speaker. And if you got a high input, the easiest way to do it is basically, let me show you guys. Let me pull this out real quick. The easiest way to do things like this is pretty much wire the left and right speaker negative, left and right speaker positive together. Then you would just wire these two wires straight to two wires right there, instead of having to wire 4 different wires and have 5 wires tapped into these things. So just pretty much tap into 2 wires, that's all you need for high input, and then you could get this sub bumping. Once I get everything hooked back up, I'll have RJ over here test it out for you guys and show you guys what I did. Hey guys, so this is like take 3 because I don't want to get a copyright on the video. So we pretty much got the subwoofer hooked up, got everything put together nicely. Don't know how many watt amp this 12-inch JBL is pushing, so we got it tuned just enough to bump. The wire's all tucked inside, got the engine all covered up, and now we're just gonna show you guys the install. Oh, you stopped the music. Dang, guy. Look at that. Damn, the sub is bumping. So, that's how it sounds like with it open. Check this out. With it closed. Hits pretty nice. Where did you purchase this sub?
Audio Express.
Audio Express? Well, I'll look it up online and have a link for you guys down below in the description for you guys to check this out if you guys want to make a purchase on it. Because honestly, it bumps for a little 12-inch preamp sub. Anyone that's not looking for a high-end subwoofer and just want something to keep their trunk bumping, this definitely works. But yeah, check that out. That's fucking crazy. You could actually see the sub bumping.
Everything about you